In this guide, I'm going to guide you through several solutions to fix WhatsApp web download issues on Windows. So first, try the simplest fix, which is simply refresh your page, and this often resolves minor glitches. If you're using Google Chrome, check your download settings as well. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. Go to the download option from the left-hand side of the screen, which is between language and accessibility. Then after toggle the option on for ask where to save each file before downloading. And now when you try downloading again, you'll likely receive a prompt to approve the download. Another option is to open WhatsApp web in an incognito window. In Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, select new incognito window, go to web.whatsapp.com, and you will need to rescan the QR code to log in. Incognito mode prevents caching and cookies from interfering, which can often resolve problems. If the issue persists, you can verify your internet connection as well. You can also try using a different web browser such as Microsoft Edge or Firefox, log into WhatsApp web there and attempt to log in or downloading again. So that's it. One of the solutions should definitely help you resolve the download problem. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.